Most traders don't lose because of their strategy. They lose because of their emotions. In this video, I'll show you the 6 emotions silently destroying your trades and exactly how to fix them. So stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Let's go. So guys, here we are again. You know what we do, you know how we do it. I've welcomed you guys before and I'm going to welcome you guys again because you guys are a millionaire forex trader, right? So let's go. The first thing we are going to look at right here is fear. I know you have heard this thing many times. It sounds easy, but fear can make you lose in forex trading. You understand? So fear is one of the 2 most frequently talked about emotion in trading. Normally talk about fear in trading all the time. Fear and greed. Greed is the next one we are going to dive into. Fear manifests itself in a number of ways in trading, and it can be the cause of many trading mistakes. The fear of losing lets traders delay the realization of a loss, which then turn into much greater losses. And the fear of giving back profit, which makes traders close winning trades too early. Fear can cause you to hesitate. It can cause you to close winning trades too early, and it can cause you to close a losing trades too late. And closing a losing trade too late can make you to lose a lot of money than you planned to lose. You understand? How to fix fear in trading? Use a tested strategy and trust your setup. Once you have gotten a strategy, make sure you backtest it, test it out, and trust it. After you have backtested it, it generates profit regularly. You have to trust the strategy. Risk only what you can afford to lose. You know, trading is not what you should go all in. You understand? Set stop loss and walk away. If they don't know the value of stop loss, they won't put it there in your platform. Stop loss and take profit is important. That's why it is visible in your platform. So you have to make use of it. Set a stop loss, set a take profit, and walk away. That's what it means for. You don't have to stay in the chart always. That's trading for you. So let's go to the next one. So guys, the next one will be greed. You guys have not heard this. I've told you guys before. Greed is supposed to be good. But when we look at the hard facts, greed often causes a number of impulsive trading decisions that should be avoided. Traders who are influenced by greed often don't adhere to sound risk and money management principles. Greed also reinforced the gambling mindset, which describes trading without set rules and based on impulsive decisions. Greed can make you to lose as a forex trader because when you are greedy, you'll be trading out of risk management, money management, and other good stuff. You understand? So how to fix this is have a daily profit target and stop after hitting it. Stick to your plan, not the feeling. Avoid revenge trades and chasing wins. You understand? You have to avoid revenge trading. You also have to stick to your plan. Don't focus on your feelings. You understand? You might be wanting to get more profit, to achieve more profits, but the market is not giving it to you right then. So you have to take the profit that the market have given to you. Don't be greedy to capture more profits, to force the market to give you what is not here. You understand? So this is exactly how to fix it. So man, we are about to talk about hope. Hoping can also prevent you in making profit in forex trading, being profitable. So hope, fear and greed often comes hand in hand. Traders who are in a losing position often show sign of hope. When they delay the realization of a loss and give a trade more room to breathe. Another example of hope is when traders try to make up for past loss and then enter a trade without position that is too big and not according to their rules. So, and how you can be able to fix this is accept small losses. You have to lose small in order to win big. That's the only way you can be profitable in trading. For sure, you can't avoid losses in trading. Accept small losses. It is part of the game. Always set a stop loss. Never remove it. If you set a stop loss, don't remove it. That's why I would advise you guys, if you enter a trade, don't bother checking the trade anymore. Just set your trade, then go do your things. You understand? You don't need to watch every candle, because if you see the trade going straight to your stop loss, you might be afraid, hoping that it will go up. Then you decide to shift your stop loss. That is absolutely prohibited if you want to become a profitable trader. You have to trade the chart, not your feelings. You understand? Let's go to the next one. The next one is excitement and anxious. Any touch of arousal when trading is a sign that somewhere along the line you went wrong. When you are over anxious in a trade, it's often a sign that your position is too big, or you shouldn't be in that trade. Keeping track of your arousal level and asking yourself when you feel anxious or excited can often help you get out of a trade when you shouldn't be in the trade at the first place. How you can fix this? Breathe, slow down, wait for a confirmation before entering. Journal your emotion before and after each trade. Avoid trading when your emotion is high. For example, after a big win or a big loss. Boredom. Although boredom is more a current state than an emotion, it's worth pointing it out. Traders who are bored also often lack focus. A sign that you lack focus is when you find yourself going through a same instrument and time frame over and over again without really knowing what you are looking for. Also, when you miss trade entries because you weren't paying attention, browsing the internet or doing something else, it is a sign that your focus is not where it should be. Get your priorities straight. And when you are trading, don't engage in other activities. How to fix this? Step away from the screen if there is no setup. Study and improve your strategy while waiting. Focus on quality, not quantity. So guys, the next one we are going to talk about is frustration. You understand? Frustration is often the cause of trading mistake that result from any of the previous mentioned emotion. When traders miss a trade, violate their rule and lose money, take too much risk and lose too much money, or see what they should have done, frustration starts to take over. Frustration then reinforces all the bad negative behavior pattern that the traders struggle with and intensify the problem the traders has. How to fix this? Take a break after 2 to 3 consecutive losses. Review what went wrong logically, not emotionally. Focus on process, not outcome. So guys, the last tip I have for you guys, the little tip I have for you guys is emotions equals to your enemy. Systems is equals to your friend. You understand? So let your plan do the work. Your job is to follow it. Simple and short. That's the easiest way to become profitable in trading. So subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So make sure you hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.